Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port flex on the Google Pixel 3a XL mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the LCD screen from the front. To remove the LCD screen, it needs to heat gently around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heat gun. Alternatively, you can use a heat pad or hair dryer around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. Carefully work around on the edges, and once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the front screen. In between, insert a plastic car pry tool and gently cut the adhesive around. Lift the screen gradually and disconnect the connector plug by undoing two screws and remove the metal shield. There is an adhesive strip on top of the connector. It is missing from this device. If you have the sticky, peel it off and place it while connecting the LCD screen. Next, take out the mid-frame plate by undoing 15 screws, and then using a plastic car pry tool or triangular picker, move around the phone to release the mid-frame clips. While taking out the mid-frame, be gentle. The proximity sensor is attached to the frame on the top center. Next, take out the frame and disconnect the battery connector, and then move to the bottom left, release the plug and two screws to take out the charging port flex. Next, take out the broken charging port flex and replace the new charging port flex in the logic board. First, secure two screws and then plug the connector into the board. And also connect the battery plug into the board. Next, secure the proximity sensor and place the mid-frame by adding 15 screws. Next, place the LCD screen on the body, and then connect the LCD plug and add the shield by inserting two screws, and also the tape which we don't have but you may. Before installing the LCD screen, ensure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided LCD adhesive. Finally, add binding clips to tie the LCD screen with the body. Leave it for some time and remove it. On the other hand, you can wear some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on Google Pixel 3a XL mobile phone. Let us know if you have any questions and please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.